T80 ICU Ventilator. Operation Introduction. Accessories: breathing circle with Y connector and water trap, silicone pipeline, test lung, face mask, flow sensor, infant, fuse, humidifier with connectors, ceiling plug, pipeline hanger with Steve, filter, power line. Pipeline connection. First, install pipeline hanger with Steve. Adjust the angle of the hanger. Install the humidifier and connectors. Breathing tube connect water trap and Y connector. Connect the breathing circuit to the ventilator and humidifier. Connect the flow sensor to the ventilator and breathing circuit. Connect the L connector and test lung. Pipeline connection as shown in the figure. Connect the high-pressure oxygen hose and power supply on the back of the machine. Setup and self-test. Turn on the machine, enter the patient selection interface. You can select patient, adult or pediatric, and ventilation mode, invasive or non-invasive. Press Save, enter self-test. First, zeroing. Keep the patient connection port open and click Start. Second, self-test. Continue to click Start. Third, hose compliance. Close the patient connection port. There is a cap in the machine's accessories. Use it to cover the connection port. Click Start. Fourth, hose resistance. Open the patient connection port. Click Start. Fifth, patient flow sensor. Use another connector to reverse flow sensor connection at patient end and the patient connection port is opening. Click Start. Connect the flow sensor of patient end forwardly to the breathing tube, remove the connector. Click Start. Then complete the self-test. Enter the VCV mode. Connect to breathing bag, test lung or patient breathing mask. Click Start on the upper of the screen and the ventilator will start working. Click the breathing mode in the upper left corner of the screen to change to other modes. Click the parameter setting panel at the bottom of the screen. When it turns yellow, rotate the adjustment/confirmation knob to set the parameter value. For more operating guidance, please refer to next video. Thank you.